Okay, so here are the answers for page 639. minus 2, draw your line and cancel. Bring down your inequality. Y is less than or equal to 1. 1, 0, 2, close circle. Y has the little point and little numbers live left. Any questions on that? To undo subtracting 1, add 1, add 1. Draw your line and cancel. W is less than 5. Now, let's double check. Is 5 minus 1 is 4. So that's equal to 4. So W has to be less than 5. So if I have 4 minus 4, that would be 3, which is less than 4. So always double check it, count it. Double check it, I guess. Yeah, not count it. Here we go. I put a 5, 4, 5, 6. It can't be 5, but smaller than 5. Open circle going to the left. Any questions? To undo multiplication, you are all wonderful at drawing your bar for division. Divide by 7, divide by 7. X is greater than 8. 8's in the middle, 7, 8, 9. Open circle, bigger. Going to the right. Any questions? To undo dividing by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. D is less than or equal to 6. 6 in the middle, 5, 6, 7. Close circle, going to the left. Are there any questions so far? Number 5, a company charges 10 cents for each letter engraved. Bobby plans to spend no more than $5 on the engraving on a jewelry box. Write and solve an inequality to find the maximum number of letters he can engrave. Okay, so I'm going to use X equals letters. Okay, and these are letters like that they use for engraving stuff. So my equation is 10 cents a letter times X. At the most it can be $5, right? So it has to be $5 or less. Do you see that? Because it says that's the most. It can spend no more than. No more than looks like this. It can be 5 or smaller. Now, divide by 10 cents. Divide by 10 cents. X is going to be less than or equal to, how do we show this? 5 divided by 10 cents. Move it over 2. Move it over 2. We have to add 2 zeros. So 500 divided by 10. 10 goes into 55 times, and it's not 5, but how many 10s are in a 0, 0? 50. So he can have 50 letters in this special engraving. X is less than or equal to 50. Any questions? All right, number 6. We're using this information. Sonic Rock official website. Their t-shirts are $14.50 each. I have some extra money to get a shirt at the concert. Whew, sounds pretty exciting. Suppose David has $65 to spend on his ticket and some shirts. He already spent $32.25 on his ticket and fee. Write an inequality that could be used to find the maximum number of shirts he can buy. All right, so on this problem here, so we have, how much are the shirts? X equals shirts, okay? So we have $14.50 a shirt. $14.50 times X has to be less than or equal to, oh, he's already spent 65 minus $32.25, right? I have to subtract the price of the ticket. You could have also written it this way, $14.50x plus $32.25 is less than or equal to 65. You could do it this way or this way. This is a two-step equation. So $14.50 x is less than or equal to 65 minus this, because if we did this, we would do it like this. You don't have to know how to do two-step equations on your test because that's a 7th grade standard. I'm just telling you. They shouldn't be this hard on your test. So when I subtract 5, 7, 2, $32.75 is what he has left. So you divide them both by $14.50, and you're going to get x is less than or equal to, is it 3 shirts? No, 2 shirts, I guess. $32.75 divided by $14.50. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry a 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Subtract 12. So yeah, he's got $3.75 left. So it's 2 or less shirts on that one. What's the maximum numbers of shirts he can buy? 2 shirts. Okay, any questions? Let's quickly look at 7 and 8, and then it'll be time to work on your worksheet with your partner. Okay, here we are dealing with fractions and decimals. What's the opposite of subtracting 7/12? Add 7/12, add 7/12. Draw your line and cancel. P is greater than. We have to find a common denominator between 12 and 10. What's it going to be? 60. Yeah, so we're going to change these to 60s. 10 times 6 is 60. 3 times 6 is 18. 12 times 5 is 60. 5 times 7 is 35. And we are adding. So 18 plus 35, 3, carry a 1, 53/60. X is greater than 53/60. So 53/60, it's greater, open circle going to the right. What will undo adding 3/10? Minus 3/10 minus 3/10. F is less than 1.4. 1.4, 1.3, 1.5. Open circle going to the left. Any questions? Okay, you may work with your partners on the worksheet. It's Math 6, Chapter 8, Lesson 7 homework practice. Show your work, graph your problems. Don't forget to do the problems on the back. Have fun doing them.